Welcome back to my channel. YouTube Automation for Beginners. Boost your YouTube income through smart automation. In today's digital world, YouTube has evolved into a powerful income-generating platform for creators worldwide. One of the most exciting and effective methods for earning money on YouTube is through YouTube automation. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to scale your channel, understanding YouTube automation can significantly boost your income potential with less hands-on effort. This guide will break down everything you need to know about YouTube automation, how to get started, and strategies to maximize your income. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation refers to the process of running a YouTube channel without showing your face or even actively managing the channel daily. This business model often involves outsourcing or automating different parts of the content creation and publishing process, such as scripting, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail creation, so you can focus on scaling and managing the brand. This model is popular for faceless YouTube channels, including those in niches like top 10 lists, tech reviews, animation or storytelling, finance and investment tips. You're essentially running your channel like a business. How YouTube automation works. Here's a breakdown of the tasks involved in a YouTube automation channel and how they can be automated or outsourced. 1. Niche selection. This is the first and most important step. Choose a niche that has consistent demand, low competition, and high monetization potential. Examples include personal finance, health tips, luxury lifestyle, and tech. 2. Script writing. Hire freelance writers from platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Scripted. You can also use AI writing tools to generate scripts quickly, though human editing is always recommended. 3. Voiceovers. Use freelance voice actors or AI-generated voiceover tools like MyourF.ai or Wellsave Labs. Many YouTubers use natural-sounding AI voices for cost efficiency. 4. Video editing. Hire video editors or use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Adobe Premiere Pro if you prefer doing it yourself. Outsourcing this task can free up significant time. 5. Thumbnail design. Thumbnails play a huge role in click-through rates. Hire a graphic designer or use tools like Canva or Photoshop with pre-made templates. 6. Uploading and SEO optimization. Automate your uploading schedule using tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic. These tools also help with keyword research, tags, and optimizing titles or descriptions. Benefits of YouTube automation. 1. Scalability. Once you build a system, you can replicate the process across multiple channels or increase your video output significantly. 2. Time freedom. You're not tied to the daily grind of creating content. Your team or automation tools do the heavy lifting. 3. Faceless content. You don't need to appear on camera, making this ideal for introverts or people uncomfortable showing their identity. How to start your YouTube automation journey. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Research what's trending and identify underserved niches. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube search auto-suggestions, and keyword planners to find high-potential niches. Step 2. Plan your channel structure. Outline the type of content you'll post, how often you'll post, and what your branding will look like. Consistency is key, both in content and visuals. Step 3. Build your team or use tools. Start small. You don't need a big team at first. You can Hire one freelancer for both scripting and voiceover. Do video editing yourself initially. Use Canva for thumbnail design. Tips to boost your YouTube income through automation. 1. Focus on SEO and keywords. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Tools like Vidic and TubeBuddy help you find the right keywords to increase visibility. 2. Leverage trending topics. Jumping on trending topics within your niche can drive massive views. However, ensure your content still provides long-term value. 3. Maintain a consistent posting schedule. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. Aim to post at least 2 to 3 times per week, especially when starting out. 4. Optimize thumbnails and titles. These are your first impressions. Make them compelling and curiosity-driven, without being clickbait. 5. Study analytics. Learn what's working and what's not. Pay attention to click-through rates, CTR, watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. 6. Reinvest earnings. As your channel grows, reinvest your earnings to improve content quality. Hire better freelancers or run YouTube ads to grow your audience faster. Common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong niche. Not all niches are equally profitable or easy to automate. Over-reliance on AI. While AI tools are useful, overusing them without human input can reduce quality. Ignoring YouTube policies. Ensure all your content abides by YouTube's community guidelines and copyright rules. Skipping quality for quantity. Consistency is important, but never sacrifice quality. Low quality videos won't retain viewers or get recommended. Final thoughts. YouTube automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a powerful and scalable business model. With the right strategy, tools, and mindset, even beginners can turn a faceless channel into a passive income machine. Start by learning the basics, experiment with different content styles, and build a team or system that works for you. With persistence and smart execution, your automated YouTube channel could generate income around the clock even while you sleep. Ready to automate and earn? Take the first step today. Choose your niche, create a plan, and upload your first video. The world of automated YouTube income is waiting. Thanks for watching.